Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you control a server with emoji permissions. That gives you immediate access. Next, prepare animated GIF under 256 KB and square or 16:9 aspect ratios so Discord accepts them. Once done, open server settings, go to emoji and click Upload Emoji. Name the emoji with no spaces. You're taking action now. These steps remove the Nitro requirement for using server-specific animated emojis, and they set up everything needed for the next part. Now you configure names and permissions so people actually use them. Rename each upload to something concise. Letters, numbers, and underscores keep it simple. If a GIF is too large, compress or trim frames until it meets 256 KB, lowers frame count and resolution if necessary. Once uploaded, test by typing name. In chat, make sure roles have used external emojis if sharing between servers, and verify the animation plays. This ensures both access and smooth playback for users without Nitro. Finally, share the emoji and troubleshoot common issues. Grant roles or copy the emoji to a boosted server to increase slot availability. If the animation won't play, re-encode it at a lower frames per second or reduce resolution. This often fixes playback and size rejections. As an alternative, use stickers or invite members to a server where emojis are hosted. If all else fails, double-check file limits and permissions. Those two are the usual culprits and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.